In Gujarat's scorching Vantara ensures animals from cooler habitats' heat stay comfortable through advanced climate control. Animal night cells are equipped with HVAC systems, while paddocks use eco-friendly thatching and shade nets. Rain guns, foggers, and misters keep enclosures cool and humid. Water is always available, enhanced with electrolytes and nutrients to prevent dehydration. Seasonal diets are adjusted to include water-rich fruits like watermelon, cucumber, and oranges. Vantara's thoughtful design blends technology with care, creating a safe, cool sanctuary where even cold climate species can thrive under Anant Ambani's compassionate vision.